Let's eat Dairy Queen's new Caramel Toffee Crunch Blizzard. Cheers. What you got?
A s'mores blizzard.
Rate it 1 through 10.
But like a 9.4.
No, not it.
Very solid. He's gonna put it in his fat ass.
10 out of 10. Coffee
Yeah.
caramel
There's
crunch.
no way you rated that a 10.
Oh my gosh, it was so good.
He's lying. That shit was not a 10.
Butterscotch dilly bar. Cheers.
All right, now give me a bite.
What kind of?
Bro got all butterscotch. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I'm not rocking.
Yeah, that's terrible. It's like a 2.
This,
Yeah, that is terrible.
what he said. I don't recommend this.
Bro, that was way too big of a bite.
Let's go back home and eat the rest.